Hello, good day, and welcome to NX Auto World. I am NX Automobile Consultant. So today I'll be showing you two places where you're going to find your VIN. I already have a video on VIN, but this is a Honda CR-V 2020 model. And with these two places, any car you purchase or any car you buy, you can find your VIN at these two places. So one place you can find your VIN in any car is your door jab. Your door jab. This side, you can see you have two stickers here. You can check and find your VIN on uh, at these two places. But in the next place, you can find your VIN in any car is on the dashboard at this place, on the dashboard on this place. So you can check any car you are using on the dashboard. This is our dashboard. This is our dashboard. And after checking, you are going to find a 17 alphanumeric number on your dashboard, which is your VIN. I already have a video on VIN. I have explained the use, the importance of you knowing the VIN, the importance of you knowing your VIN. So this is something small you have to know about a Honda CR-V. Advertise your car for you. You can contact me through my mail. You can check my bio for my contact info, or you can contact me on any social media handle, which is NX Auto World. So if today is your first time watching this video, do watch to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.